Welcome back, my friend. How are you? I'm great. So I'm currently in the beautiful Slovenia, surrounded by nature. In my last video, I told you I was looking for the perfect spot to show you my final wreck. And you know what? I think I found the perfect spot. I am in the middle of nowhere, between Ljubljana and Maribor. So of course I want to show you my final wreck, the first look at my van. But of course I can't show you everything. It would probably take hours. So let's go. The first thing that you see when you open the trunk is my kitchen area. That's my water for cleaning, kitchen towels and drinking water. Right behind that is my storage space. My food box, my hygiene box, my fireplace box. So wait, it's not actually a fireplace. This box just holds my camping cooking stuff, like my camping stove. On the right side of the rack are my clothes, and on the other side is a box with all my travel books. Every box that I have is labeled so that I know where everything is and I don't need to look hours for hours. In this small space are all my camping chairs and my table, which is currently being used for my camera gear. Above the cooking area is the best part of the build, my bed. It is a 2-meter long and 120 centimeters wide bed that can easily hold 2 people. The whole bed area is lighted up by a light string and a drop light. On both sides of the bed you have a small storage space for your phone or other things or cables. I think my van has a lot of cool features and unique stuff, like my wooden speakers, my vintage Julius Mile coffee box, the cool look of the rack, my drop light, or my small cable box. I think during my adventure, a lot of things will change in the van. My stuff, my gear, who knows? But don't worry, I will take you with me and I will keep you updated. And with that being said, like always my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, be creative, there is no limit, and see you next time. Adios, my friend.